Hey there, my amazing students. Welcome back. This is another tutorial regarding subtraction, regrouping the tens and the hundreds. Okay, so we have 324 minus 142. The first step that we need to do is rewrite the problem. Okay, so to do that, we can line up our place values, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. And then we write the bigger number, or the first number, and take away the smaller number, the second number. Okay, so we have a 3 in the hundreds place, a 2 in the tens place, and a 4 in the ones place. Minus 1 in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place, and 2 in the ones place. Now we are ready to subtract. Okay, well, we can use basic math facts, or something that we can also do is draw our base 10. Dun, 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 dun. So let's go ahead and do that. Draw base 10. Oops. Okay. So I have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 tens. 1, 2, and I have 3 hundreds. Okay, remember, we only draw the top number when we are subtracting. If we were adding, then we have to draw the top number and the bottom number. Okay, now we are ready to subtract the ones. That is the next step. Subtract ones. 4 minus 2. Can I take 2 away from 4? I think so. Let's see. 1, 2. I have 2 ones left. Okay. 2 minus 4. Can I take 4 away from 2? Well, looking at my drawing, I only have 2. I can't take away 4 from 2. So I actually need to regroup, borrowing from one of the hundreds. Whoop. So I'm going to take this guy and make an arrow there and say bye-bye. We're going to explode it now into 10 tens. So whenever we group, we always add 10. There are 10 tens in one 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Well, I no longer have just 2 tens or 300, so this actually needs to change. I took away 1 100 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. That is my remainder. Okay? I borrowed 1 100 and gave it to the tens. I added 10 tens to the 2 that I had. 10, I put 10 in my head, and I add 2 more. 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now I'm ready to subtract my tens. I'm going to finish writing the steps over here, okay? 4. Step 4, we subtract the tens. Okay, 12 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 left. Okay. Now I'm ready to subtract my hundreds. Oopsies. Subtract. Hundreds. Okay. 2 minus 1. I have 1 left. There we go. 324 minus 142 is 182. And I checked my work using the base 10, drawing here. And you can do the same. Let's try another problem, this time a word problem, okay? Lisa is reading a book that is 239 pages long. she has read 169 pages. How many pages does she have left to read? She has a book. It is 239 pages. She read 169 pages. How many does she have left to read? Okay. This is a subtraction problem because it wants to know how many are left. And it tells us how many she already read. So this is like saying how many pages did she not read? So the first thing we need to do is rewrite the problem. We need to write the total number of pages in the book, which is 239. Okay, now we're going to subtract or take away 169. There we go. Now we are ready to subtract. Now, I'm not going to draw the base 10 like we did here because I know that the formula is -1 and plus 10 when we regroup. Okay? We always add 10 to the number that needs it. When the bottom number is bigger than the top number, we have to regroup and make this top number bigger. And we can only do that by adding 10. And we always borrow from the place value on the left, taking away 1 or borrowing 1. So let's try that down here. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 6, I can't do that. I need to borrow from my neighbor. Hey neighbor, can I borrow from you? Sure. I'll give you one of my hundreds. Okay? 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay? 100 is 10 tens, so I add 10 to the tens place, and 10 plus 3 makes 13. Now I'm ready to subtract the tens. I can draw base 10 to help me check my work here. I'm going to draw 13 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oopsies, I drew too many. Oh no. And you know, sometimes that does happen. So when you draw these base 10 blocks, make sure that you check that you're drawing it correctly. So I'm going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, that's correct. Okay. 13 minus 6. Okay. I'm going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that leaves me with, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So now I'm ready to subtract the hundreds. I have 100 left. 1 minus 1 makes 0. So Lisa has 70 pages left to read. Okay, let's now try regrouping the tens and the hundreds in subtraction with another word problem, okay? There are 319 girls in gymnastics on Friday. 128 girls attended gymnastics on Wednesday and Thursday. How many more girls did gymnastics on Friday than Wednesday and Thursday? Well, I can see that there are 319 girls who did it on gymnastics on Friday, which is a greater number than the number of girls who attended on both Wednesday and Thursday. So it wants to know how many girls went on Friday that didn't end up going on Wednesday and Thursday. So let's start with the bigger number here. It's a subtraction problem, okay? So 319 minus 128, remember to line up those place values, okay? We rewrote our problem using the information from the word problem. And now we're going to subtract the ones. Now you can draw the base 10 if you need to, but I think I can do some mental math here. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 2. Now I know that 2 is greater than 1, so I have to regroup. Okay? We always take away 1, where we are borrowing from. 3 minus 1 is 2. And we add 10 to where we need it. We need to make this a bigger number. Okay? 10 plus 1 is 11. Now I can subtract the tens. Okay? 11 minus 2. Now, if I need to, I can draw the base 10 for that because that might be a little difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me check that number. It's an 11. I'm going to recount what I drew to make sure that I drew it correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is correct. I take away 2, 1, 2, and I'm left with, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I also know that 9, 10, 11, that is correct. I proved it with the picture too. Now, 2 minus 1, I know that in my head, but I can draw it just to draw it, to show that my answer is correct. 2 minus 1, we are left with 1. Okay, so 319 minus 128 is 191. So 191 girls, or there are 191 more girls who did gymnastics on Friday than on Wednesday and Thursday. That wraps up our tutorial for subtraction, regrouping the tens and the hundreds. I hope it helped. Until next time, bye.